copyright ID claims. Welcome back. You're watching ACIERO in Amsterdam. So, copyright ID claims in YouTube Studio. Oh my God, I am so tired of these claims on my videos. I don't know why people sell music when they put claims on their music. I don't know why claims are just popping up now after like 2 years, now that my videos have been monetized. Now people are claiming that their music has copyright, so they need to get some of the revenue on my content. I don't understand how this goes. I've looked into my YouTube Studio. It says it's not a strike, it's not this and this, it's not that. I don't understand. If you're watching this video and you know something and you know how you can help me, please help me by leaving a comment in the comment section below how I can solve this, because I have some videos, I use some music, that the music I use, I bought it, I paid for that music, I still have receipts for those for that music. I am done. Really, I am so overaged, because I spent a lot of time recording my content, editing it, paying, getting my credit card, paying for that music, and now some creator somewhere says that music cannot be used on my videos. What did I pay for? What did I pay for? Really? So, guys, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying you guys shouldn't use music or blah blah blah, or every year, or how people selling music. This is my conclusion. I think it is, because the music which we are talking about wasn't even cheap. Most of the things I got were like from 30 euros and above. Some of them were 50 euros, yeah, per song. If I'm paying 50 euros per song, why aren't I getting the rights to use that song? Why is someone claiming content ID on my music? Yet I paid for that music. Yeah? So most of you who are planning to use music for your YouTube videos, think again. Maybe now they're not saying anything, because for the last 3 years, no one said anything. No one put a content ID until my channel was monetized. And then now they're popping up. Yeah, so be careful when you're trying to use these platforms, buying music for your videos, because you think music will add value to your channel. Yes, it does. Later on, when you need to make money with your channel, it will be like, no, you can't, because it's not copyright music. So in my case, I've stopped using music altogether. In my videos, I've stopped using anything unless I've made it myself. Although YouTube offers some suggestions, you can use the YouTube library to get music, but they also have some quotations. You have to put the name of the artist, you have to give to credit, blah blah blah. Okay, but how am I supposed to be sure that it's not a trick like the other artists where I paid money? This is free, yeah, but I have to credit the artist. The other one, I paid money and someone is coming for my videos claiming a copyright ID on them. So how am I supposed to be sure this person also with this music in the YouTube library who wants credit isn't also going to put a copyright claim on that music later on? Eh? How am I supposed to know this? How am I supposed to feel safe as a creator using any music? If music I pay for, that I think I have the rights because I paid for it, to use it. How? How am I supposed to even compare, or even keep working and feel that the content I'm creating is safe and no one is going to come after it? I'm done with music. If I want something like a music, I'll be like and then that will be my music. I hope no one does a copyright on that. Good luck if you're planning to, but sorry, that's me. Maybe I'll make a copyright on your on your music. So, but I'm done. So for me, that's really pissing me off. Every day I wake up, I get a copyright notification that someone has even some videos that are not even public. That's the funniest thing. Even videos that are not even public that were made like 3-4 years ago, they're popping up with copyright claims, and I'm like, seriously? I paid for this. I paid for this. You know, these people are trying to play with us. If you've paid for music and you know you paid, then you really still have the receipt. Yeah, don't let these people bully you, because they're bullying me. I feel bullied because it's very difficult to keep on make content and upload your content and then get stressed out with copyright claims with some funny person who is putting copyright claims on music he sold himself. It doesn't make sense. If you want your copyright claim, don't sell your music. Don't offer it to be sold because you want it to be it's copyrighted, it's yours. So don't sell it. Getting all stressed up, because I am stressed up with these funny things. I'm tired. Every morning I wake up, copyright. Heck, this is not a strike, but it's just a copyright ID claim. What are you claiming for? You sold the music. You put it out there to be sold. You sold it. We paid money. We used it. If we got it for free, that's a different case, but we paid money. So don't put copyright claims on things we paid money for. I'm done. Thank you. If you're watching this and you're planning to use music, please don't, because it's not going to help you. Later on, it's going to bring you problems. People are going to put claims on your material, and if there's claim on your material, you can't monetize that video, so it's useless to you. So what are you going to do? If you know how I can solve these issues, please leave it in the comment below, because I'm really kind of stressed out with this. Every morning I'm waking up, I'm getting these notifications in my YouTube studio. I don't really want to get stressed out with a channel that I'm trying to build. I really want to do things the right way. I'm sure I did things the right way. I never put on music on my channel that I didn't pay for or that I didn't have rights to use. So if you know any way I can solve this or things like this to stop, because to me, the only option I think is to stop using music. If you're new here, consider subscribing and like this video, comment, and if you're a returning subscriber, I love you. And if you're just popping in, still subscribe, like, comment, and leave me a comment. And if you have any advice, also leave it down below. And watch more videos on this channel in 1, 2, 3, and